Question number 6. Estate agent's income is fixed amount of $5,000 plus an amount based on $4,000 for each house sold. So if they sell 3 houses, they will get this. Okay, so we have probability distribution. If they sell no houses, that's probability of 0.2, one house 0.6. Okay. So I've worked out the expected value, the expected number of houses sold by 0 times 0.2 plus 1 times 0.6 plus 2 times 0.19 plus 3 times 0.01, which gives me 1.01 houses on average. So that times 4,000 plus 5,000. This here should be the expected total income in a month. What extra amount of commission should the agent receive so that their expected monthly income increases by $2,000? So instead of receiving $4,000 per house, what should they receive to get $2,000 more? So I've said, let's make their income $11,040, and that should be $5,000 plus X, the new commission, times 1.01. Solve for X, and they should be getting $5,980. Therefore, that's an increase of $1,980 is commission per house. To the next question, we have to do the job, they need to work as do some T stands for landscaping and replanting. So we've got a landscaper and we've got a replanter. So I don't know why I've used T. Time for landscaping maybe is 18 and 4 squared, and the time for replanting is 24. We are interested in doing both landscaping and replanting. So I've said the job is T plus R, which means I can work out the expected value of the job, 42 hours, and the variation and standard deviation of the job using the rules, and the probability that the job will be less than 40 hours is 0.93908. Over the page, we're interested in this area here being 90%, so left end 9.9, and I've got a new standard deviation based on the sample. And lastly, testing the null hypothesis that the mean should be 1,500, so 1,115. That the null hypothesis that the mean is less than 1,115. We've got a standard deviation of 12,000. We now have a sample of 36, and the sample mean was 110,800. My sample standard deviation is the standard deviation divided by root n, so 2,000. So I'm looking for a p-value of less than 110,800, and that p-value was 0.017. We are testing it as a one-tail at a 0.5 level of significance. Where is it? 5 level of significance. Therefore, I want that to be less than 0.05, which it is. Therefore, I would reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis.